Hello to all guys, how are you all? Hope all will fine and doing very awesome. Look here today the profit is $75.60 and this is scientific robot. Look here, you have the name is visible. Look in this window. This is Albert, this is scientific robot, and the robot is making really very good money. And look at the comment with order will 50, 75 index, 200 index and made $75. Here is loss is also 0.005 on VIX 51. Its index minor loss is $17, and again with recovery $35, 25, and again recovery and made some profit. To the profit is $75.60. So now it's time to take the withdraw on this account. So let's go and check the binary website and make the withdraw from a 75 account. And here is the $75 withdraw from my account. And now it's time to open the cashier. And now click on a withdraw. They send me an email. Let's go and check the mail. Here is binary just sent me an email. Look here. I'm using the Deriv.com and I'm using binary.com. They're all the website. Okay. Interface is so cool. So because of that I'm using binary.com all website. The new is Deriv.com. Just click on link before it gets expired, and so the withdrawal to the profit is $75. Just click on 75 USD. Okay, I use Skrill. They already have my details. Request for payout, and it's done. Thanks for watching, guys.